Let's take a look at the stock market to find buying or shorting opportunities. Tesla is down $4.30. That's 2.24%, closed at 187.29. Post market, we are up by 80 cents. So let's look at what we have here on the chart. We are in 2-hour downward channel. Tesla is supposed to go down. It is going down. It has been going down. So right now we have a little bit of a pause on the going down. We started to climb back up a little bit. We had this news today that a judge considered Elon's compensation plan of $55 billion to be illegal or something like that. So this could have had a big effect on the stock. But so far, it's not that bad. So we came up to 194.35 right here today. Just like we tried yesterday. So yesterday we went above but closed below, and today we tried to go higher but we could not go higher. And we are seeing a little bit of a pattern right here. This pattern is called an ascending triangle. You can see the triangle right here, and this is supposed to indicate that we are going to break that 194.35. But we are going to wait until we actually break it before buying back into Tesla to catch maybe a little bit of upswing. So right now we are on the sidelines. We don't have to be in the stock market all the time. We have a really bad candle today though. It started at the low end right here to go higher and then was squished back pretty much where we started today. In terms of indicators, everything is in the tank. Let's take a look at the 1-hour chart to see if we can gather something interesting. Yes, we are climbing higher and higher, but this last candle right here is red, right smack on the support, so we don't know if this is going to hold or go down. If you want to short Tesla, then 181.95 right here. This is a short for me. And if we go any higher on the 1-hour chart, again 435, then this is going to be a buy for me for a little bit of a trade. Nothing big, just a little bit of a scalping. We don't have stochastic over 60, so the chances that this 195 thing is going to happen is a little bit lower, because with each break of horizontal resistance, we need to have stochastic over 60 to confirm the move up. Let's take a look at the VIX. VIX is climbing higher. We are up 7% for the VIX. We have stochastic over 60. So we are in yet another instability period with the VIX coming higher and higher. This is not super critical. If we stay below 1485, then this is going to be okay. This could be just temporary, but we are already feeling a little bit this effect. The 10-year bonds had a big drop yesterday. Right now, this is just going sideways. And the US dollar is just going sideways. Let's take a look at the stock indices. We have a little bit of a drop in Dow Jones, nothing critical. This is just one candle. S&P 500, the same thing. It looks a little bit worse, but we are still above 48.07. The same thing, we are dropping. Let's see where this stops. Let's look at EV stocks. BYD is still on its support. It closed higher than the support yesterday, and today we are right smack on it. This is not looking super good, so let's see what's going to be in store for us tomorrow. Rivian still above 15.17, but now it looks like it wants to come even closer to that support. Xpeng continuing its move down, but wait for a bounce before buying. NIO, we had some support, 580, and now it's just dropped. This is incredible. It was at 64 bucks. This is completely crazy. This is one of the reasons why you should not buy and hold. Yes, okay, it's not a company like Apple or Amazon or Tesla, but even Tesla has been down for 2 years. Buy and hold is overrated. Let's take a look at tech stocks. Apple is coming back down to this main channel support. This is where it wants to get back to. We have lost stochastic over 60. Let's see what is going to happen Thursday with the earnings call. ARM is barely above this bullish channel support. We have lost stochastic over 60, so things are not looking good. Everything is pretty much weakening. Palantir is also weakening, down almost 4%. Nvidia Looked like yesterday that it wanted to break 628.34, but now it's back into its congestion zone. This is just going sideways. If it starts breaking below 599.24, then this is going to be a sell impulse. And look at RSI right here. RSI was above 70. This was oversold, and look at how long it stayed oversold. When an indicator is telling you that a stock is oversold, it does not mean that you should sell. Just write it, because you could get a great ride out of that. AMD also dropping a little bit, so things are really cooling down, huh? Gold going sideways. Silver cooling down a little bit, just touched. Look at this perfection right here. It touched exactly our downward resistance, and now it's coming back down. This is going to be retesting 761 very soon. Bitcoin is going sideways, no stochastics. This is not looking nice. XRP touching support. This is not the time to get back in. Neo battery material bouncing a little bit, so we are up 4%. This one has some proving to do before we get back in. And Nouveau Monde Graphite looks like the support at 207 is just gone. So Tesla is not ready yet. It is not ready yet. We still need a few more candles to see what is going to happen. And 194.35 is the number, remember. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.